Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to make your first banner. With this video guys, I want to show you how to make your banners to promote your product using Photoshop. I will make this video very slowly so you can understand how exactly this is work. Okay, so let's start with banner sizes. Okay, you can find all the sizes here. You can click one of these images. Just go to Google and type banner sizes and go to images, and then you will find some pictures here that you can see exactly the sizes of the banners that you can use. Let's visit this. Okay, so you can see here different sizes. Okay, 7 to 8 to 90, 468 to 60. Okay, different size. The best sizes that you can use to promote your product, there's 4 sizes that you can use it. Size number 1 is 7 to 8 to 90. This is a good banner, good size. And 468 to 60 pixel, okay. And 300 to 50 and 160 to 600 pixel, okay. This is for sizes that you can use, that you can make your banner using these sizes and promote your affiliate links or your product. Okay. Okay, so we have here this size 7 to 8 to 90. Okay, so let's go to Photoshop and go here, File, New, and let's change here to pixels and 7 to 8 to 90. Okay, 7 to 8, 90, and then don't forget to change here, okay, to pixels, and then go here and okay. Now we have this banner. Okay, this is the same size like this size. Okay, 7 to 8 to 90 pixels. Okay, let's back to Photoshop and let's make our banner. Okay, you can see here in the right, you can see this icon. You can click it and make some levels. Okay, every level you have to put one item. Okay, so this is the background. Okay, this is level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. You can delete any level anytime clicking here. And yes, okay, you can click and delete your levels. Okay, now let's make some text. Okay, you can see here this icon T. Okay, the T. Okay, so let's click it. And here in the top, we can choose the size for our font. Okay, so let's choose this. Let's check this. You can type here, make, sorry, make money online. Okay, you can put in the middle, in the top, the bottom. Okay, right, left, it's your choice. You can see here the T. You can double click and change the color of this text. Okay, you can see here the color. Let's go and choose red and okay. Now our text is on red. Okay. Okay, let's put this here. Okay, here we have some layers. Okay, so let's choose this layer and make another text. Okay, let's type here, click here for more. Okay, remember every banner you make, you have to make it catchy, something that people will click it and visit your link. So you have to make your banner very, very catchy and very stronger. Okay. Now, like you see, you can make some, you can put some items. You can make more layers and levels. You can add some pictures if you want. You can go here and you can click here import and you can put some images if you want. Basically, this guide is for beginners to make banners. So remember, all you have to remember is how to put some text, how to choose your size. You can go to Google and choose your size. You can put some items. You can put some pictures. You can go to Google and type, let's say, cash, cash for Photoshop. And go to images. You can find unlimited images here to put in your banner. Okay. Element for Photoshop. Let's say cars. Okay. Or icons for Photoshop. You can find unlimited icons. Okay, you get the point. You can find unlimited stuff using Google, and all you have is to do is save these images and put in your banner. Okay. So now you can see you can make your banner catchy. Okay. You can put some elements in your banner. You can change your background. Okay. There is a background like you can see here. Let's choose a different color background. Okay. Okay, and then all you have to do is click Control and enter, and you will get this color to your background. Okay, so I hope you like this video. This is a this is a Photoshop for beginners. Okay, there is a lot of stuff that you can do with Photoshop, and if you want to work online, you have to know how to make this stuff. Okay, banners, and choose banners sizes, and that's all. I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.